Happy 3rd birthday, Pearl. My baby. I love you. We love you all so much. Happy birthday. Mama, chup chup. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Pearl. My daughter, I love you. I love you too, mommy. Apay cupcake.
Ang pag-arrange na nimo dito, napalibutan ko ng cupcake. Ituyok nimo siya sa...
Happy birthday, Mama. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Thank you, Florence. Happy birthday, Mom. All effort.
You're welcome, Elsie.
Late na kay ka nakauli.
It's okay.
Tungod sa pagbuhat sa cake.
That's what friends are for.
Yes, thank you so much. I love you, Flor. Kain cupcake. Additional mo siya sa 2 ka cake, ang cupcake. 24 cupcakes. Thank you so much. God bless us. Happy birthday, Mama. And happy birthday, Pearl. Pinalangga kong anak. I wish you all the best. Happy birthday. Enjoy. We love you all.
Duha na ka karton.
Happy birthday, Pearl, anak ko. Happy birthday, Mama. We love you. I love you so much. God bless us. Enjoy. Happy birthday. Yan. Ready na siya. Thank you so much sa mga kamay na nagbuhat. Si Floripin, Roca. Thank you. Love you, Flor.